Welcome to the Agriculture Academy YouTube channel. If you're passionate about agriculture and horticulture, or if you're simply looking to launch a profitable business in these fields, you've come to the right place. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with the essential knowledge and resources you need to succeed. Whether you're a novice, a hobbyist, a student, or a seasoned professional, what we offer. With over 30 years of experience in agriculture and horticulture, our creators are here to guide you every step of the way. We cover a wide range of topics, from the fundamental principles to advanced techniques. You'll find tutorials on hydroponics, aquaponics, tissue culture, and nursery management, as well as in-depth insights into animal husbandry. Whether you're interested in raising chickens, cattle, goats, or sheep, we provide the expertise you need to thrive in these areas. Why subscribe? By subscribing to our channel, you're not just gaining access to valuable information, you're joining a community of like-minded individuals who are eager to share their experiences and support each other. Our videos are designed to be engaging and informative, offering step-by-step tutorials that make learning accessible and enjoyable. We understand that starting a business in agriculture can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. That's why we emphasize structured learning and expert guidance to help you navigate the complexities of this rewarding field. Our content is tailored to cater to various learning styles, ensuring that everyone can find something that resonates with them. Stay updated and engage. We're committed to keeping you informed about the latest trends and advancements in agriculture and horticulture. By activating the notification bell, you'll never miss an update, allowing you to stay competitive and informed in this rapidly evolving industry.